Korean spicy chicken stew. This dish has been one of the staples of the Korean food for a very long time. Now, I've seen so many people introducing the same recipe over and over, just like copy and paste. But today, I'm going to show you a different approach to make this delicious spicy chicken stew. Let's begin. Peel your potatoes all the way and cut them in half. And you cut these into very rustic chunks. You see, the size is about 2 inches or 5 centimeters. And for this recipe, only the potatoes need to be kept separate from other veggies. Peel 1/2 of a carrot, that's mini-me in the background. And you cut the carrots into irregular mirepoix. Just like your ordinary stew dices. I recommend the size to be a little bit smaller than the potatoes. And let's cut the cabbage. If you're a subscriber, you probably have seen this veggie cut before, but separate the leaves, cut them in half, and then cut them into triangular shapes. And cut the onion into rustic chunks. So you can keep all the vegetables in the same bowl, except for the potatoes. Now, this gochujang sauce has been introduced in my previous Bulgogi episode. If you haven't watched that video, the recipe is written in the description. Can you believe this? All you need is the gochujang sauce, sesame oil, and soy sauce. That's it. You can pretty much use any cut of the chicken, but I personally prefer the bone-in chicken thigh with skin on. High heat with a touch of oil, and then you sear the chicken skin side first. Again, the general rules. Do not overcrowd the pan and do not agitate your proteins. Season with salt and pepper. Just be patient, everything's gonna be fine. Really fine. And when the skin side looks sexy like this, you flip the chicken. Because I didn't want to overcrowd the pan, I'm cooking them in 2 batches. So clean that extra amount of chicken fat and repeat the process. When all your chickens are done, you're going to add your mirepoix, onion, carrots, and cabbage all at the same time. And you are going to sweat these in delicious chicken fat. After about 3 minutes, you can switch to medium-high heat and add half the amount of the gochujang sauce. Coat the surface of the mirepoix and then continue browning them. And then you're going to drop the potatoes, sesame oil, and soy sauce. And place the seared chicken on top of the vegetables. Now, this can be a little bit tricky. I used 1 liter of water, but you're bringing up the water level right below the seared skin. You know what I'm saying? And then add the remaining half of the gochujang sauce. And bring it up to a vigorous boil. Cover it, then adjust the heat to medium-high. Then you're going to braise this for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, switch the heat to medium-low and then another 30 minutes of braising. Well, I probably wouldn't open the lid during the process, but since you might wonder what's going on inside. After total braising time of 1 hour, taste it and then adjust your seasoning. Oh yeah, it's my lunchtime. Place all the vegetables in the center of the bowl and then stack your chicken pieces on top. Garnish with some scallions. And finish with sesame seeds. Well, it's chicken thigh, it definitely falls off the bone. And the flavor, amazing. If you enjoyed watching my video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and notification bell on your way out. And I'll be back with more exciting recipes. Know what I'm saying?